and, talk about the future. Oh,
Put the ball in there.
Get my eyebrows shaped. I am not happy. Sure you want to eat that?
Yay!
And I like it.
Yay!
I just had the worst anniversary ever. Well, what happened? We were at the game, and this guy proposed to his girlfriend on the big screen thing.
Oh, that was so tacky.
Well, that's what I said. But it turns out
You got
proposing
it!
to me that same way.
Yay!
Do you want to marry him?
Yeah, I really do. Yes, but after I dunked on the way he was going to propose to me, I don't think he's ever going to ask again. I mean, I said no in Barbados. And this.
You did it. Where's the ball?
Can I just say, if I were a guy?
You
Maybe you don't
guys.
need him to propose to you. Maybe you could propose to him.
Oh, I don't know. Isn't that a little desperate?
I proposed to Jenna.